तो फ्रेंड्स हम एक सीरीज़ कर रहे थे सिनोनिम्स की, जिसमें हमने 700 वर्ड कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। तो आज हम 100 वर्ड और करेंगे, तो 700 से लेके 800 तक करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Rot means decay or caused to decay by the action of bacteria and fungi. Decompose. Sarna, decay. Spine means a series of vertebrae extending from the skull to the small of the back, enclosing the spinal cord and providing support for the thorax and abdomen. Merudan vertebrae. Purge means rid someone of an unwanted feeling, memory, or condition. Parishkaran evacuate. Next, aground. Aground means on or on to the bottom in shallow water with the reference to a ship. Bhugrast stranded. Next, decree. Decree means an official order that has the force of law. Nyayik nirnay, law. Next, grip means complain about something in a persistent, irritating way. Cust, to grieve. Next, stumpy means short and thick, squat. Gatila, puzzy. Next, seat means a closed fitting cover for the blade of a knife or sword. Myan, coat. Next, genre means a style or category of art, music, or literature. Shally, category. Next, rendezvous means a meeting at an agreed time and place. पूर्व निश्चित समय और स्थान पर मिलना. Tries. Next, diffuse means make a situation less tense or dangerous. स्थिति को गंभीर होने से रोकना. Alleviate. Next, crown means rest on or form the top of. शिखर पर होना, apex. Crown means rest on or form the top of. शिखर पर होना, apex. Preacher means a person who preaches, especially a minister of religion, evangelist. Next, deployment means the movement of troops or equipment to a place or position for military action. Tainati, stationing. Next, banquet means an elaborate and formal evening meal for many people. Preeti bhoj, feast. Next, to moan means a long, low sound made by a person expressing physical or mental suffering or sexual pleasure. Karahana, to sigh. Next, melodramatic means relating to melodrama, natakiya, theatrical. Next, streak means a long thin line or mark of a different substance or color from its surroundings. Rekha se चिन्हित, smear. Next, sentry means a soldier stationed to keep guard or to control access to a place. Peredar, sentinel. Next, subsidy means a sum of money granted by the state or a public body to help an industry or business keep the price of a commodity or service low. Subsidy. Endowment. Next, digress means leave the main subject temporarily in speech or writing. पीछे हटना, meander. Next, to permeate means spread throughout something. Pervade, आर पार, निकलना, to imbue. Next, swine means a domesticated pig, especially a castrated male reared for slaughter. Sewer, hog. Next, extrapolate means extend a graph, curve, or range of values by inferring a known value from trends in the known data. Bahirvation, deduce. Next, inheritance means a thing that is inherited. Virasat, bequest. Next, bother means worry, disturb or upset someone. परेशान होना, beset. Next, elate means make someone is ecstatically happy. प्रफुल्लित करना, exhilarate. Next है to entrain. Entrain means to board or put aboard a train. सवारी पर चढ़ना, to mount. Next है discerning means having or showing good judgment, विवेकी, astute. Next है succulent means tender, juicy and tasty, रसीला, luscious. Next is snarl. Snarl means make an aggressive growl with the bare teeth of an animal such as dog. Gurrana, growl. Next to theorize means to purpose as a theory, सिद्धांत बनाना, to speculate. Next to thrash. To thrash means beat a person or animal repeatedly and violently with a stick or whip. Beatna, to beat up. Next privation. Privation means a state in which food and other essential for well-being are lacking. Hardship. Next carnage. Carnage means the killing of a large number of people. Narsanhar, butchery. Next batter. Batter means strike repeatedly with hard blow. Kutna, bash. Next jeer. Jeer means make rude and mocking remarks typically in a loud voice. Tana marna, hoot. Next murmur. Murmur means a low continuous background noise. Murmur dhwani, buzz. Next peripatetic. Peripatetic means traveling from place to place, in particular working or based in various places for relatively short periods. Brahmankari, nomadic. Next synchronicity means to simultaneous occurrence of events which appear significantly related but have no discernible causal connection, samkalik coexistence. Next accolade. Accolade means an award or privilege granted as a special honor और एज एन एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ मेरिट, औपचारिक रूप से उपाधि देना, डिस्टिंक्शन. नेक्स्ट रिडेम्पशन. रिडेम्पशन मीन्स द एक्शन ऑफ सेविंग और बीइंग सेव्ड फ्रॉम सिन, एरर और एविल, पाप मुक्ति, एटोनमेंट. एटोनमेंट. नेक्स्ट हेस्ट. हेस्ट मीन्स एक्सेसिव स्पीड और अर्जेंसी ऑफ मूवमेंट और एक्शन, हरी, शीघ्रता, सून. Next pal. Pal means a friend, mitra, buddy. To defile, damage the purity or appearance or reputation of someone or something, mar और spoil, दूषित करना, to besmirch. Next to reiterate means say something again or a number of times, typically for emphasis or clarity, बार बार कहना या करना, to recur. Next hypnotist means a person who carries out hypnosis either for medical reasons or for entertainment. Samuha, conjurer. Next panorama means an unbroken view of the whole region surrounding an observer. Chitramala, spectacle. Next initiate. Initiative means the ability to assess and initiate things independently. Upkram, dynamism. Next objectionable means arousing distaste or opposition or unpleasant or offensive. Apattijanak, abhorrent. Next to recline means lean or lie back in a relaxed position with the back supported. Vishram karna, to launch. Next antithesis. Antithesis means a person or thing that is the direct opposite of someone or something else. Vilom, contradictory. Next aesthetic. Ascetic. Ascetic means characterized by severe self-discipline and abstention from all forms of indulgence, typically for religious reasons, yogi, austere. Next, meadow means a piece of grassland, especially one used by hay, घास का मैदान, pasture. Next है to superimpose means place or lay one thing over another, typically so that both are still evident, किसी और वस्तु पर रखना, to overlap. Next है to scram means leave or go away from a place quickly, भागना, to scot. Next है to gnaw at or nibble something, persist करना, to nibble. Caricature means a picture or imitation of a person in which certain striking characteristics are exaggerated in order to create a comic or grotesque effect. व्यंग्य चित्र, cartoon. Next है to predispose means make someone liable or inclined to a specified attitude, action or condition. प्रवृत्त करना, to incline. Next ominous means giving the worrying impression that something bad is going to happen, threateningly inauspicious, अमंगल, apocalyptic. Next है repentance means the action of repenting, sincere regret or remorse, पछतावा, remorse. Next है antagonize means cause someone to become hostile, विरोध करना, alienate. Next है incisive means intelligently analytical and clear thinking for a person or mental process, काटा हुआ, concise. Next है bouffant means style so as to stand out from the head in a rounded shape of a person, hair, choti, braid. Next है dependent means a person who relies on another, especially a family member, for financial support, आश्रित, reliant. Next है improvident means not having or showing foresight, spendthrift or thoughtless, अपव्यय, extravagant. Next है to ebb means gradually decrease of an emotion or quality, कमजोर पड़ना, to abatement. Next है to bewilder means cause someone to become perplexed and confused, उलझन में डालना, to baffle. Next है quasi means nauseous feeling, sick, नाजुक, squeamish. Next है deviance means the fact or state of diverging from usual or accepted standards, especially in social or sexual behavior, vigilant, aberrance. Next है alleviate means make suffering, deficiency or a problem less severe, हल्का कर देना, alight. Next है to cite means refer to a passage, book or author as evidence for or justification of an argument or statement, especially in a scholarly work, हवाला देना, to indicate. Next है poise means graceful and elegant bearing in a person, संतुलन, elegance. Next है to jeopardize means put someone or something into a situation in which there is a danger of loss, harm or failure, खतरे में डालना, to imperil. Next है to concoct means create, devise a story or plan, तैयार करना, to contrive. Next है eccentric means unconventional and slightly strange of a person or their behavior, विलक्षण, whimsical. Next है perusal means the action of reading or examining something, अवलोकन, inspection. Next है consensus means a general agreement, आम सहमति, harmony. Next है famished means extremely hungry, भूखा, starved. Next है thrashing means an act of physically beating someone, a beating, pitai, bashing. Next, sinister means giving the impression that something harmful or evil is happening or will happen. Bhayavah, malevolent. Next, probable means likely to happen or be the case. Sambhavit, plausible. Next, invincible means too powerful to be defeated or overcome. Ajay, impregnable. Next, to proselytize means advocate or promote a belief or course of action. प्रचार करना, to advocate. Next, elegantly means in a graceful and stylish manner. सुरुचिपूर्ण ढंग से, gracefully. Next, perplexity means inability to deal with or understand something. परेशानी, puzzlement. Next, to preside means be in the position of authority in a meeting or other gathering. संचालन करना, to officiate. Next, dabble means to take a slight and not very serious interest in a subject or try a particular activity for a short period. ऊपरी ढंग से करना, daily. Next, to ordain means to officially make someone a priest or other leader in a religious ceremony. नियुक्त करना, to anoint. Next, to stranded means left aground on a shore of a boat, sailor or sea creature. भूग्रस्त होना, to aground. Next, scar means a mark left on the skin or within body tissue where a wound, burn or sore has not healed completely and fibrous connective tissue has developed. जख्म का निशान, मेन. Next है tryst means a meeting between two people who are having a romantic relationship, especially a secret one. गुप्त भेंट, rendezvous. Next, proximal means situated nearer to the center of the body or the point of attachment. Samipast, adjacent. Next, to alight means descend from a train, bus or other form of transport. सवारी से उतरना, to disembark. Next, parlance means a particular way of speaking or using words, especially a way common to those with a particular job or interest. बोली, lingo. Next, obstreperous means noisy and difficult to control. कोलाहल में boisterous. Next है maestro means a distinguished conductor or performer of classical music. उस्ताद, conductor. Next, troll means an ugly cave-dwelling creature depicted as either a giant or a dwarf. गड़े खजाने का बौना रक्षक, gnome. Next है shimmering means shine with a soft, slightly wavering light. टिमटिमाना, glinting. Next, bounderer means a dishonorable man. assist, loud. Next, impassive means not feeling or showing emotion. उदासीन, reticence. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे हमने 8 टोटल 100 वर्ड कंप्लीट कर लिए, यानी हमने 800 तक कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. इसकी बाकी वीडियोस हमारे चैनल पे पड़ी हुई हैं, आप देख लीजिएगा बाकी की. तो ये प्रीवियस ईयर्स के सिनोनिम्स है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और अक्सर हमारे एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं, तो आप इनको ठीक से याद कर लीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो विद योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. जय हिंद, जय भारत.